오늘은 폭스바겐에 가고 있습니다. 투아렉을 한번 봐보려고요. 투아렉. 저 같은 경우는 이제 티구앙을 폭스바겐에서 샀잖아요, 여기서. 근데 영업맨 이름이 순일인데 그 친구랑 3년 반 넘게 계속 연락을 유지하면서 살았죠. 그래서 또 연락을 해놨어요. 차 보고 싶다, 시승 한번 해보고 싶다. 그래서 저를 기다리고 있을 거예요. 어딨냐, 여기 현대 제네시스. 이 폭스바겐은 아우디랑 같이 붙어 있어요. 오케이. 귀여워.
Bike here? Hi. Good. Oh.
I checked your this thing. What do you say? The YouTube thing. It's in Korean. It's for Korean public. Yeah. It's good. It was nice.
Which one is the highlight?
This is the highlight, the white one.
It's big, my love.
The car has been changed. If you see, that is the old Touareg and this is the new one.
Oh.
So it is bigger in terms of length, the width, and the boot space. And it is a performance car now. Previously, it was 3.6 liter V6 with 280 horsepower. Now this is 3 liter, not 3.6. It's a 3 liter turbocharger with 340 horsepower. It's
340
horsepower with 450 torque. So 0 to 100 you can say.
The price is the 255.
It is 275,000, but now we are offering as and I'm left with two cars now. So 255 is the last cash offer we are giving. Since last
It's a 2020 model.
220 model, yes. 2020 model, the same car is going to come with R-Line kit. It is 299,000.
What about you don't have 2021?
2021 will be coming after 3 months. Yes.
What about the price will be the same?
299. I said 299. The same specification, it will be 299.
That's why.
The price has gone down due to COVID last year. Yes. Have a look at the car.
It's
See
a
that
2020 model. That's why it's cheap. Oh.
But still this has matrix. Thank you.
So stock featuring is this is coming with self-latching doors. So
Yes. Oh, this one is electric.
electrical, yeah. You can start the car, push start. So this is a new Touareg.
Wow.
This is the biggest screen in automobile. Only Tesla has got 17-inch screen. This is 15.3-inch screen for a petrol car.
What about cool seat you have?
Yes, it has got cooling seat. It has got. Let me just brief you about the feature of this car. So first thing what you can notice once you get into the car is an ambient light.
Yes.
Okay, this ambient light you can change up to 30 colors. 30. So you can change as per your mood. You can change to 30 colors.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So that is the light. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now here what happened if you wanted to have the door panel in little lighter. So what you can do, you can just go over there. You can make this area as bit lighter. See that area has become lighter. Or I can put switch off for the right side and only the front panel will be on. So you can customize according to your requirement. Okay. So that is one of the USP of this car. The wooden interior they have got it for this car. And the switch, okay, seats both are electronic with memory package for three stage memory package. Okay, and now this seats comes with different kind of option. One is it's a cooling seats, driver and co-driver, heating seats, driver and co-driver,
Just front side, not back side.
not back side, not back side. And here we have a something called comfort seat. For example, based on the you want to have hugging seats, so you can just, that is a kind of recliner. If you put over here, for example, and the lower panel, so it will hug according to your requirement. Okay, and if you want to adjust the same seat to the next passenger, this will also move according to your seat adjustment. Then comes a massage seats.
I'm getting now.
Yeah, you're getting right. So that is a massage seat. So you can choose this much of level of massage option is there.
Also here backside.
Driver and co-driver both.
Ah.
Okay, mostly for the driver and co-driver. So that is a seating adjustment.
Here also?
Yeah, both here also. See, for the co-driver also over here. Yeah. So that is one more USP of the car. Second, the switch is now auto switch, so it is just touch button. Okay. Now, safety feature wise, the car has got a blind spot monitoring assistance. You can see there is an orange light will be popping up. So that is a blind spot. Okay, so any car comes aside, it will show the blind spot monitoring. Second thing, there is a lane assist also. So while driving a car at highway speed, suddenly you you got some call and the car got out of lane, it will take you back to the normal lane. Okay. And in this car, there's a front assist system with adaptive cruise control. Let's say you're going to Alcor or you're going for long tour, then if any, you can keep the distance between your car and other car, and any car comes in the middle, it automatically slow down. Okay, and if it is very near, it will brake emergency. There's a front assist system also. Okay, now talking about over here, the screen, it's a 12.7 inch screen with the hand we can customize according to your requirement. There are 3 stage of look. This is the first stage.
It seems very like dark now.
Because it's a light over here. Once you go out, it will be, and you can also, let me just
Brightness.
the lights.
In Korea, to get the matrix LED,
Yeah.
we need to go with V8.
Ah, is it? Wow, no. This is matrix LED
Yes.
light is there. Yeah.
That's the good thing.
So I think we need, if you go out, it will be brighter enough. Yeah. So now here the thing comes. Okay, let me see the lights for the front. It is interior light instrument. Let's. No, it is right. Instrument switching. Okay, so that is a light. Okay. So now, talking about the cluster, you can customize the cluster in 3 ways. This is the first way where you can see the digital thing. This is the single information.
There will be something like the cars.
There will be no showing a car options, but that is a lane assist option. So it is keeping your car in the lane. So whenever you are going out, it will make a red alert, and when you are in lane, it will be in green alert. Okay. So this is the first view. You can keep a single view information, whatever you want to keep. Okay. Now, if you want to have this, you can use this, and there is something called. You can put, let's say, range. I want to keep some range over here. You can keep something, and you can keep some audio. For example, you can keep the audio also. And if you don't want the bigger one, you can just keep it smaller so that you can use the navigation. Let's say there is a navigation over here. Now.
Wow.
So, and if you don't want this, you can keep it empty.
Whoa.
Gone. Okay, so that is a navigation. So that is the cluster you can change. Now you can see there's a heads-up display also in the front where it will give you an information of speedometer, navigation, lane assist option, okay, and cruise control information that will be available on that. Talking about the screen, as I told you, this is one of the USP of this car. So this car, there's a hand gesture also. So like if you want to change to second folder, okay, I think your car has got this thing. So, and you cannot move by one finger. You need to use 2 fingers. Okay. Same if you.
What about 3 finger?
3 finger. Anything more than 1 finger, it is movable. So this is navigation you can keep over here, and there also navigation would be there. Okay. Now this is a drop-down menu, like in your car you have the drop-down menu with app connection and everything. Okay. Now here there is something called shortcut. For example, if you press over here, and you want that, let's say, quick guidelines. So you just press here, and take it over here. So whenever it is closed, you can use like maximum air. You can use it. Quick guidelines, you can use it. Yeah.
All the AC.
The
control
AC is
also
here. The AC is coming from both the part. Okay. And now this is a 4-zone AC. Your car is 3-zone AC. So here the driver and co-driver AC is over here. You can choose the temperature. Okay. And that is for the back AC. Okay. Air care is exactly the same thing what you have. Okay. Now coming back down, it is an 8-speed wireless gearbox system. There is not like your car is a DSG regular gearbox system. This is a wireless. So this is same concept we are using in Audi Q8 and Q7. Okay, and Porsche also, Porsche Cayenne and Lamborghini and Bentley. They are using the same technology. Coming back down, handbraking switches, auto hold function you are aware about. Now this is a drive profile mode. Drive profile mode is basically you can use eco drive, normal drive, sports drive, individual. And if you put off-roading, the light brightness has been increased down. If you see the difference, can you see on the right side? The brightness has increased. Okay, and snow is basically for the wetty region, you know. And this is for the volume and decreasing the volume. And if you want to shut down this windows, just close it. It's all gone. Okay. Then we have all these lights are touch. Same on the over here, touch. Yes. Okay. And this is panoramic. Full panoramic and
like in the YouTube video, like I didn't feel this kind of
yeah,
luxury.
yeah, it is.
I just
Yeah, looks like the normal or something.
okay, well,
Yeah,
yeah, amazing.
This is a luxury.
The real thing is amazing.
This is a luxury. And the boot and the lights are lights looks very amazing. Let's
Yeah.
see the car from outside how it looks like. From the headlights, you can see the headlamps. Okay, and this is the dynamic indicator. So
Amazing. It's very bright.
yeah.
Yeah.
And let's see the back side now, how the lights look like.
Here?
Okay, and if you apply the switch, just stay over there.
Yeah.
Amazing looking, really.
If you apply it,
Very cute.
Oh.
now there is something called easy access. I think in your car also it is same there. So this is touch, you know about this. You have seen the self-latching doors.
Only to one side.
All 4 doors, all 4 doors. Okay. So auto parking assist is there. Okay. But only reverse camera. There's no 4 cameras in for sure. So here there is 2 things. Boot is 813 liters. It's almost 130 liters bigger than the previous Touareg. Okay.
You mean you don't have 360?
No Volkswagen Touareg comes with this option in GCC basically. Okay. And this is delay closure. This is immediate closure like your car. And delay closure is if let's say if I'm taking baby stroller out, I cannot close it.
Yeah.
So I will press this first. I will take the stroller out and I will walk away. And suddenly some kid come in the middle,
My car has this one.
it will stop.
Tiguan also has.
Tiguan, I think they have only direct closure. There is no delay closure.
Yeah.
Can I check the back side?
I'll just say.
Check the back side. It was comfortable.
Oh. Wide.
This is a maximum. So we can change this much.
Separate AC, 2 separate AC for driver and co-driver, and the pillar AC.
What's this originally?
No, this is nothing. This is just cooling and hot, fan speed, auto AC, and direction.
How much percentage?
Nothing. Even it is on
When
the
you go higher option?
nothing. This is the maximum.
They have airbag here.
Oh, everywhere.
And there's a pillar AC also. Grand curtain.
What's this?
How are you, sir? And there is a, if you just press that here, there's 2 USB with
So the 2021 model is just difference is just
The difference would be only the steering design is little different. Steering, because they are now, it's a 2D steering will be there, and the rest everything is same. So what happened? Now there is no Highline option in the Qatar. In GCC there will be no Highline. There's a model called Atmosphere. What they did, they have ordered the basic. Okay, now in this current 2020 there is a trend line, comfort line, and Highline. Okay, so what happened? Now trend line remains same. So for comfort line, there's a model called Atmosphere. Okay, there's no comfort line. That's an Atmosphere.
Yes.
And there will be Atmosphere Plus.
Okay.
The Atmosphere Plus would be the same features. Okay, except cooling seat, no massage seats. Okay, this will be not available. The cooling seat and massage seat and the ambient light
And then the price will be high.
it will be directly going in our line, which is 299. So this model is like a cake if you're taking the car, you know.
So like what's the ambient atmosphere plus will be how much?
280,000. But there will be no cooling seat, no massage seat.
I see.
So I have got two interiors. The exterior will be white color. Now I have, and the interior will be beige now, which is this, and there is one more interior called dragon grey, like this one. But the cooling and this is like a comfort line car, but the interior would be same color, dragon grey. Yeah. And then we having a leasing option also, for sure. Which last time we could not do that, but this time you are clearly. So do you have any loans going on with the bank now?
이게 또 아틀라스라고도 하고 타라몬트라고 하는 좀 덩치가 엄청 큰 차예요. 한국엔 안 들어오죠. 이게 진짜 엄청 큰데 이게 투아렉보다는 싸죠. 치펄된 투아렉. 근데 이게 세븐시트 자리가 3개. 진짜 이거는 티구앙이 그냥 티구앙을 좀 크게 만든 거라고 보면 돼. 똑같아.
yeah. It's just bulky.
여기 이렇게 뒷자리 세 번째 열도 있어.
Right. That is small. Yes, here.
넣어서 넣어줘.
So, I want to hear the sound outside. Turn on and then I want to hear. There.
This sound?
Oh.
From the outside?
Oh. 어디? Wow, black. Nice. This color. No?
I will open the
Engine.
Like this one has an air suspension.
No, air suspension is not available in Qatar.
Oh really?
We are not bringing air suspension.
Any car?
We had the new R-Line will also not come with air suspension.
What about old one?
Old one, the R-Line. If you find any R-Line in the market, they will have an air suspension. Because that car we were selling for 315,000. 315,000, yeah. So we'll go to the left side. we'll take a right.
This one is what is the horsepower?
The 340 horsepower.
얘 어때? 응? 제마 어때?
아빠 좋아.
So you can speak now Korean language. We'll take a left. And how many kilometers clocked in the, what do you say, the Tiguan?
36.
36.
But since last year,
Mm-hmm.
no increase.
Yeah, of course, because most of the time it will be work from home.
And then my wife doesn't drive,
Okay.
so
You need to drive in the normal drive. That was an eco drive you are driving. From signal we'll go free right.
right?
Yeah. You can push over. From signal we can take a free ride.
Whoa. Can I try the sports mode?
Yeah. Accept your car, get your left. You can take a U-turn.
Okay.
Or else let's do one thing. Let's go right side. Auto hold so you can release your foot.
Good? Gemma?
Mm.
Comfortable there?
Yeah. Anyway.
Oh, very smooth from the auto.
Yeah.
Like from Tiguan, like somewhat you need to do something
Yeah.
to release. One that will be very awkward.
So you want to keep only one car, you're saying?
Yes. You always say like if Tiguan's price is not that much high, then I
Mhm.
can keep because I don't need to
Yeah.
pay anymore.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
have loan.
Yeah.
The G70 I have. Somewhat like it's stressful like driving in Qatar with
Yeah,
sedan.
sure, 100%. Because this Qatar is a SUV market. It's not UAE. If you go to Dubai or Kuwait, they have a lot of sedan market. You know.
Mm.
Then go straight.
Tiguan, I didn't have any like issue. With G70, like too much flat,
Yeah.
like a gum.
Yeah. Tiguan is a very nice car. It's a very that car you can keep it for longer time also.
I just change it tires.
Like a regular normal servicing, yeah.
Like we got a what's the name?
Yeah,
It was we got a hole.
yeah, okay. So you change the tire.
Yeah. And then like we change it what's that wiper.
Yeah, okay.
Last time I
okay.
asked.
Yeah, of course. It is like I think it is a 2017 model, right?
18.
18.
Without that, we accepted like nothing. And then I visited the service center
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
This year, it was this year, my love.
Yeah. We'll take a
Oh.
U-turn from here.
Like, it was nice. Really.
Yeah.
I haven't visited there
Yeah.
because I always send
Mm.
with the toy car.
Yeah.
But like when I visited there, like wow,
It was nice. Yeah, it is easy to move also. Like it is previously in 2014 and 15 to reach service station were a big hectic, because the roads were not clear, a lot of potholes. Now it is like a normal Salwa road. You can easily commute properly over there.
Somewhat it's far, but it's good. The building.
Yeah.
But Genesis they don't have. I need to go Hyundai.
Okay. Then
It's very mess there.
okay.
And then there's no proper parking space.
Parking space. Oh, okay.
I was very disappointed.
Uh-huh.
Somewhat like Genesis in Korea, they have Genesis
They have, okay,
like,
yeah,
designated
yes,
service center,
yes,
but in
yes.
here they don't have. and
Sure.
then They are saying like luxury car,
Yeah.
but because saying luxury car, they need to prepare
Yeah.
the luxury cars.
Okay,
like service
yeah.
center.
Yeah, they need to just keep it everything away.
I don't
and-
need to mingle with Hyundai people.
Okay, yeah, sure. Because like for example, like if for Genesis they should have a skilled workforce for taking care of the Genesis car, because of course the technology is total different. It's not a comparable to Hyundai technology.
Yes. The car is okay, but like the service and then the sales people,
Yeah,
I don't like.
yeah.
I only like Sunil.
Yeah. Oh.
In Qatar,
Thank you.
really. Right? Hello? Huh? We have been trying many like different cars from
Yeah,
different
yeah,
brands,
Yeah.
but they are not kind.
Yeah.
Really.
Oh.
Really, right?
Oh,
Sunil is.
No, you are my friend. We had since that time we were trying to. You remember our finance was not happening, and we tried to do something to get
We
things to
tried
be done. Yeah.
Three things. Kind of.
Yeah. Then finally it happened that
That time I was a car poor. In
Yeah.
Korea we have a saying, car poor.
Kapo. Okay.
You need to pay for
Pay
your
for-
car.
yeah.
You cannot save your money.
Yeah. True.
You cannot do anything.
Yeah.
So that time, like December.
Yes.
December was my last month
Yeah.
to pay.
Yeah.
But I didn't have money after paying.
Yeah,
But I
yes.
needed to go to Finland.
This okay.
I had only 500 riyal, that
Oh.
time 700 riyal.
Oh.
But I needed to travel.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I got loan from my friend.
Yeah.
500 riyal.
Okay. Oh my
And
God.
then after then, when I been there in Finland,
Uh-huh.
I got salary.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I was-
But now you're officially with since long time, right? Like
Yeah.
since 2 years,
Yes.
right?
I got promoted.
Very
I
good.
became a permanent position.
Very good.
The signal is very long.
Yeah, this is a long season.
What about the four-wheel steer here?
Sorry?
Like when
The four-wheel steering, no, four-wheel steering is not here. Because see, these are the features like night vision, four-wheel steering. These are required more on the either you are going to the mountain area, or the requirement again. Night vision is required when you are driving not in the city, in the wildlife. So these are the features which can be added, but it's a price because Volkswagen is a price-sensitive product. We cannot just add it and make the car price 350,000. We need to be on that level also. We'll take a ride from the.
Yeah, in Korea, like people think like Volkswagen is kind of luxury,
Yeah, it is.
almost luxury.
Yeah,
So like it must be like good.
yeah.
So we bring V8.
Yeah.
So only V8 has the
Matrix
LED,
LED light.
everything.
Okay. But can you you're in Korea? It's a right-hand drive or left-hand drive?
Yeah, same.
Same. But can you export this car to their home country?
Yeah,
in
for
future?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. How is Genesis doing in Korea?
Good.
Doing very good, yeah?
Yeah. They launched another like trim
Yeah.
model.
GV80.
70.
70, okay. Roundabout left.
In Korea it's good
Yeah.
because we have it's not kind of mother country.
Yeah,
so
it is.
easy to have
Easy to.
place.
Yes, true. We'll do one thing. We will. Okay, let's go in the front. No worry. Let's go straight. So we'll take a right from that corner.
And
Yeah, where this car is going.
what about Taraman? You have 2021.
Teram 2021 will be available in the month of May. Yeah. So we have started the pre-booking for the car.
Because of COVID, like
Yeah,
you
actually,
say
it's
it
not.
was not good?
Yes, not because of COVID. The Terramont has got a facelifted. If you see the front face is little bit changed. The grill design has been changed.
you mean 2021?
21, yes. Little bit changed. Like the grill, like it become like a Touareg now. The grill has been more of. Early it was like kind of boxy design. Like the front grill was little bit of boxy design. Just park the car over there on the left. And that's this. That's it. Park it. Just keep the car on. I'll just park the car. There's a parking lot.
Here, I feel very tall.
How is the feel?
I feel very tall.
Okay.
Yeah.
What it says like I expecting it the stairway for me, and then I expected it's air suspension.
But why do
Nothing.
you need that one here?
It's a cool feature. Very smooth everywhere.
Like Genesis, this one.
Oh,
It's Genesis. Okay.
It's a bit option.
아 이게 21년도 제품이라고 그러네.
So the changes from the previous car is the front grille and the steering.
Can I see the front side? The light?
Okay, just a second.
이게 2021, 2021년 제품이라 그래야 되나? 그거는 이제 페이스 리프트 됐다고 그러는데 오 멋있다. See?
But not Matrix, no?
No. This is the high trim?
Sorry, this is a mid trim.
But the headlight will be the same? Even you go.
Yeah, yes. The headlight remains same.
아. 폭스바겐에서 일을 마쳤어요. 상담도 끝냈고. 근데 이게 좀 실망스러웠던 게 가격이 좀 낮아서 이게 225만 5천 리알이라고 뭐 한국 돈으로 8천만 원 정도 하는데 이게 V6에다가 그리고 매트릭스 LED 들어가고 뭐 그렇다고 해서 뭐 갔는데 보니까 2020년도 모델이야. 그거를 그때 이제 싸게 파는 거예요. 그리고 또 브로셔를 이제 미리 받았는데 메신저를 통해서 브로셔에는 이제 그 우리가 보려고 했던 그 트림에 에어 서스펜션 있고 그리고 그 다이나믹 뭐 휠 뒷바퀴 같이 이렇게 조향해주는 그런 게 있는 걸로 나왔는데 가서 보니까 여기 GCC 이 미들이스트 이쪽에는 아예 안 가져온대. 그거를 두 개가 빠져서 오는 거야. 근데 그거를 또 얻으려면은 주문을 또 해야 되는 거고 그건 이제 가격은 더 올라가겠지. 아무튼 2020년도 모델은 안 사죠. 그지 주엄마? It must be 2021. 거기서 좀 실망을 했고 근데 뭐 우리 순일 씨가 아주 설명도 잘 해주고 기분 좋게 대화하다 왔어요. 친구 만나는 것 같은 느낌이거든. 항상 만날 때마다. 그러고 나서 이제 제네시스 뭐 사진도 찍어왔고 이게 가격이 이제 얼마나 나올지 걔네가 이제 만약에 중고로 사면 폭스바겐에서 트레이드인이라고 내 자동차를 주고 가격을 어느 정도 받고 그리고 나는 차를 거기서 사는 거지. 그거 가격을 이제 한번 받아서 봐야 돼요. 그게 이제 뭐 괜찮으면 생각해봐야지. 2021년도 모델을 하든. 근데 또 옆에 제네시스 있어갖고 가봤는데 아 진짜 항상 갈 때마다 느끼는 건데 진짜 불친절하다. 그지?
야.
내 하나 카에 오버웨이스. 아니 그냥 차를 보러 가도 그냥 안 좋아. 프렌들리 하지가 않아. 진짜 내가 가서 내가 G70 있다, 내가 제네시스 한번 산 사람이다 이렇게 얘기해도 친절하지 않아. Very strange. Okay, if you have a car Genesis, you are the salesperson, then you might be very kind.
Yeah.
Even you haven't known about the person, customer.
Let's say you're Genesis user.
근데 뭐 그런 게 전혀 없어. 그리고 저희 차 살 때 있던 그 영업맨들 다 관뒀고 그리고 영업실장도 관뒀더라고. 요즘 영업실장한테 메시지 보내갖고 나 이렇게 하고 싶은데 뭐 그런 옵션이 있냐? 근데 대답을 안 했어. 알고 보니까 관뒀대. 그래서 제네시스 여기선 절대 고려 안 하려고요. 그지 엄마? 유일나빠 애니 제네시스. 차가 아무리 좋아도 차를 타고 다닐 수 있는 환경이 돼야 되는데 그게 잘 안 되어 있는 거 같아요. 그냥 차만 팔면 끝인 거로 아는 정신으로 일을 하고 있으니까. 근데 우리 순일 씨는 정말 친절하죠. 나중에 이 카타르에서 폭스바겐 사게 되면 순일 씨에게 연락하세요.